Let's focus our attention now on the political party Action SA. They applied to be registered as a political party, and they were informed in writing yesterday by the Independent Electoral Commission of the failure of their application. I'm paraphrasing here from a press statement from the Electoral Commission, which says, based on the similarity of its symbol or distinguishing mark to that of another party already registered, as well as the fact that the logo includes the South African national flag. Well, to get some comment on this, we're joined by Action SA founder and leader Herman Mashaba. Mr. Mashaba, welcome. Thanks for joining us on 702.
Yes, good afternoon, John, and thank you very much for giving us this quite great opportunity to clarify this matter to South Africans.
How are you going to deal with this? The Electoral Commission, just to quote, says, given that the national flag has been registered under the Heraldry Act 18 of 1962, no organization, institution or concern, including a political party, may use a flag or portion of the flag to form part of its emblem.
Very strange for the IEC, for the first time in the history of our new democracy, that they've applied this piece of legislation, because this piece of legislation does not apply to the IEC. So I think if they think that they can apply this act, which is outside their mandate, it's bizarre to us, because fortunate enough, John, when we took the registration, really coming from the business world, I know the importance of trademark registration. I used one of the big international companies to do the search for us and use some of the best lawyers to really look at the legality of what we were doing. And this matter, I've got legal opinion that looked at it, that it's not really the mandate of the IEC. That's the first one. And the second issue around this other party, it's actually one of the most bizarre rejections that I've ever found. But we've already obviously communicated our intention to them that we will appeal to this. And we've written them a letter where we need answers from them, from our legal people, and we will engage them, and we'll engage them in good faith. We've really done our homework. Yes. We didn't just really wake up and register our company, our party. You know, John, the reason why we did not want to even disclose the name of our party. We, in one of our meetings, one of our guys actually expressed a concern with IEC leaking this before the launch of our party. We only registered with them after, because we were concerned about the name of our party leaking.
Yes.
Before our members knew about this.
Can we get back to this issue around the flag? I mean, if the Heraldry Act refers specifically to including a political party, why would it not apply?
Well, John, I think let's leave this to the legal minds. Fortunately enough, we live in a constitutional democracy where the rule of law.
But I'm sure you can help us with this, Mr. Mashaba, because you raised the point that you explored the legal stuff. So any clarity you can give us on this would be appreciated. Why wouldn't it apply in an electoral circumstance if the heraldry, unless they're quoting the act incorrectly, which I assume they're not?
That is what I'm saying. That is why, John, I'm saying is our legal team looked at this matter, advised us, and this does not really apply to the IEC. So for that reason, I think let's leave it to them. I've got legal opinion before the actual registration that our legal people are very much aware about this. We did not just really wake up and really do it. So that is why we've written to them and to the IEC, really asking them as to why they believe this falls within their mandate, because our legal team is confident that this does not really apply to them.
Okay, so just to be very, very clear, are you saying the law does not refer to political parties, or are you saying it is not within the mandate of the IEC to apply the law? Because they're two.
Yes,
because they're different.
What I'm saying is that our legal opinion is that this does not apply to the IEC. That is why, John, you look at the IEC in the history of political parties since 1994. This is the first time that they are trying to really use this piece of legislation.
But do you know of any other party that submitted a logo with a flag in it? I mean, to say they've never applied it before could mean one of two. No, hold on, Mr. Mashaba. I need to ask you the question before you try and answer it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Thank you. I think we'll progress that way. Are you saying that they failed to apply it in other instances where people included the flag, or are you saying they've never applied it before because nobody ever put the flag in their logo?
No, that is why the other parties that have used it in their logos and they never really applied it. So we really find it really very bizarre that why would they then really complain to us using it.
Thank you very much, Herman Mashaba, who is the founder of Action SA. You're listening to 702.
702.
More than a radio station.
Let's walk the talk.